Welcome to Textile Technology Channel.
Bangladesh, a land steeped in mystique and tradition, has transformed into a global apparel powerhouse. With its robust infrastructure, economic stability, and promising investment climate, this nation is now a thriving hub for the garment industry. At the heart of this transformation, Ananta Formalwear, identified as DNV, a wholly owned subsidiary of Ananta Apparels Limited, an industry leader in premium fashion for both men and women. From jackets to trousers, coats to outerwear, Ananta Apparel Limited specializes in crafting high-quality apparel that meets the highest standards. Founded in 2021 with an initial investment of $30 million, Ananta Apparel Limited operates from a state-of-the-art with 180,000 square foot facility. Our skilled workforce of 3,000 dedicated professionals forms the backbone of our company's success. At Ananta Apparels Limited, design and quality are paramount. Our team works closely with a global network of suppliers and designers, meticulously sourcing the finest materials to create garments that exude style and durability. With advanced laboratory equipment and a team of expert technicians, we ensure the highest quality standards at every step. Every month, we produce 175,000 blazers, 100,000 trousers, and 100,000 pieces of outerwear, bringing our total turnover to $50 million. Each piece is crafted with precision and attention to detail. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our rigorous quality control. International experts oversee every stage of our production, ensuring that each sample meets the highest standards. Materials are carefully stored in our ultra-modern in-house storage facility, where they undergo stringent testing and inspection, ensuring only the finest fabrics make it into our garments. We employ cutting-edge technology at every step of the manufacturing process, from precision cutting machinery to state-of-the-art sewing and fusing techniques. Our focus on both productivity and employee safety remains unwavering. Every garment is finished to perfection, thanks to our skilled workforce and custom-made finishing machinery. The result? Immaculate products ready for the global market. Our highly efficient packing systems, supported by highly experienced, skilled workforce, ensure a streamlined process that brings Ananta Apparel's limited products from our factory floor to clients worldwide. At Ananta Apparels Limited, our workforce is our greatest asset. We are proud to support our employees with an in-house medical facility and daycare center, ensuring their well-being and peace of mind. We are accredited with M4E BSCI, SEDEX, ISO, Hague Index, European Flax, and many more. Our craftsmanship and excellence have earned the trust of top global brands, including Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Primark, Bestseller, Inditex, Next, Varner, LPP, Mango, Ossos, Sauls, George, Marks & Spencer, and S. Oliver. Their trust reflects our commitment to quality and innovation. At Ananta Apparels Limited, sustainability meets innovation. We harvest rainwater, plant trees, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions for a greener future. Our commitment extends to our people, honoring excellence on Workers' Day and fostering unity through corporate sports. And soon, we'll power progress with solar energy. Our people are our strength. Together, we are building the future of outerwear manufacturing, one that prioritizes innovation, sustainability, and excellence. Ananta Apparels Limited, where quality meets innovation. Thank you for your time and interest in Ananta Apparels Limited. We look forward to working with you as we continue to shape the future of fashion.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.